What's up, YouTube family? I got a 1999 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 LM7. So I had a bad exhaust manifold leak from the driver's side. These manifolds are known to break studs in the head. So I had two broken, the one all the way in the back and then the one all the way in the front. So I went on YouTube, not YouTube, Amazon, and I ordered these brackets. They're called exhaust manifold clamps. The front one is very easy to put on. Anybody can do it. All you have to do is really just disconnect this little sensor wire, and the head already has two drilled bolt holes. So these 14mm bolts they bolt right up, and this is very easy. But the hard one, the one in the back, there's no room. So this was very hard. A lot of people don't really tell you how they got that one on, so I just want to help some people with that one. So basically what I did was remove the wheel well, this wheel cover, the fender liner, or wheel well cover, whatever you call it. Remove that. Then I removed these two bolts. Let me see if I can get it in there. These two bolts right here that hold the harness, and then you just loosen the heat shield that goes on the firewall. So it's three bolts together. They're 10mm. There's gonna be one somewhere right around here, like here somewhere, that broke off, so I didn't actually put the heat shield back on. Then there's two at the bottom, so you're gonna have to crawl underneath the truck. So once you take that off, it gives you about like an inch and a half of room. So then I crawled up, and then I put the two bolts on. But it's easier to get them it's easier to get those once you crawl underneath. You're gonna need what do you call it, swivel 14mm ratcheting wrench. So because you kind of go at an angle and stuff. So that's how I got it on. I was on YouTube, I was searching, I was on the forums, so nobody really tells you like what's the easiest way of doing it. So I hope this will help somebody out. There's a lot of stuff I've done to this truck. I've had this truck for like almost 80,000 miles, bought it 3 years ago, so obviously a lot of repair. So, and then the noise went away. I have zero exhaust manifold noise, and no, I didn't tighten these. So once I tightened everything up, it was fine. I haven't tightened anything up. I don't hear any noise. So you can see what it does. It actually doesn't go on the stud, that bolt. It actually just pushes onto the manifold, keeps it closer. Same thing here. So let me see if I could get a good view. Same thing here. Just goes on and pushes it against the manifold to the head. So yeah, that was the easiest way I did it. So if anyone has any questions, comment down below, and I'll try my best to explain it to you guys. But yeah, that's the best way. Remove that heat shield that goes on the firewall, and it kind of looks like this right here, this heat shield right here. So yeah, I didn't put it back on. I don't think it's gonna be any issue. So yeah, like this video if it helps you out. Subscribe to my channel. I have a 2005 LLY Duramax. I'm gonna start doing videos on that because I've done a ton of maintenance on that truck. This truck has been pretty good. So, but yeah, a lot of maintenance done on this too. So yeah, comment down below if you guys have any questions. Bye.